Well, hi everybody. Glad to have you back to see my entry into the 2022 Bandai group build. This year I'm doing the Bandai High Mock. Well, for a week now these sprues have been sitting on my desk and I haven't been able to figure out how to go about beginning this build because of the way I want to paint it. But today I sat down and cut all the pieces off and began the assembly. So I've got the High Mock kit here all in the sub-assemblies, arms and legs and torso parts. I just have to push them together and then I'll begin the painting. I'm going to assemble the whole thing and then spray it all with Stynylrez silver primer. And then I'll add the color after that. Well, I'm back and I've got all the sub-assembly parts in Stynylrez silver primer. Now I just have to separate the parts again and put on the color coats. A few years ago I found these pictures on the internet that someone had done of this High Mock model. They've called it the Iron Mock, based on the Iron Man figure. So this is my take on that look. So here are the body parts that have been airbrushed with the Aztec pearl gold over the silver primer. And the next step is to do the other parts in the red. So here are all the parts painted. I've used the Aztec pearl red and pearl gold, and they've been cleared with Future. All the parts are done and painted, and some have been left in the silver Stynylrez primer, the parts that are remaining silver. And the next step is to push everything together and complete the model.